In this video, I will show you an idea of how to separate either sales invoices or purchase invoices which are being disputed at the moment. So the first option would be when the whole lot of invoices from a specific client or supplier has been on hold because of dispute. So one idea is for this to go to contacts, and whatever it is, supplier, customer, you can create a group, and I call this group dispute. So whoever belongs, or one customer or one supplier belongs to this group, you simply add them to dispute group. Let's say we have Pay Wholesale, which owes us money, and now we are in dispute with them for the whole invoices. I will add it to the group dispute. And now if we go into accounting payable summary, and we'll look into a group or summarize, whatever you prefer, by contact group, you update, and what happens now, you still see the dispute transactions in the same report, because as soon as you move them to a draft, they will disappear from this list. So you will still see those as disputed transactions and how long those have been disputed. But if it helps to separate them, kind of just to see what actually is happening, if that's to do with this specific supplier or the customer. So you can do this across the whole contact group, or another idea would be to separate it individually for some invoices which haven't been resolved in discussions. What I suggest to do in this case is to add additional status in that particular invoice. So what I mean by it, we go into advanced under accounting, we go under the tracking category, and we could also add a tracking category status dispute. And by this, if you go into individual invoice, let's go and select some invoice for that. Let's say I believe I already tested it on this invoice, and as you can see, I've added a status dispute directly on this specific invoice, and this doesn't go across the whole of the contact, but only specifically for that invoice, probably with some delivery or whatever happened, and we want to separate it because it's currently being resolved. And if we go to receivable summary now for checking, we will see again the group, and I can select by the status. So you see the status of tracking has been added. Don't forget to click update. And now if we look into the whole section, you'll be able to see dispute status and that the specific invoice. So I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and your comments comment below. Thank you so much.